motherfuckers are down here killing. They just come down here, they shine their lights in their faces, and then they start shooting them. Everybody live on here can see this. See this? They come out here in the middle of the night and they do it. They say that it was voted on by the board of directors here, even though these birds are protected under the Migration Act. We got the state of Oklahoma Department of Agriculture. Let's see which truck 172. Looks like the tag number is going to be ST23163. Look at this big fat fuck walking around out here. They come out here with these fucking guns and they start fucking shooting them. See that shit? Walking around with a loaded weapon. Shouldn't that weapon be secured? Look at all these dead birds. Look at those. Dead birds everywhere. And they act like this ain't some kind of health hazard. Look at all these birds. They come out here in the middle of the night. They shine lights in their face to get them so that they take off up in the air. Once they take off, then they start shooting them. These are EGRETS. Oh, they're down here shooting them. Okay. So we'll go down here then. I'm gonna get them doing it down there. I'm gonna put this shit in their face. So I catch them shooting them here. Hey! So while they're shooting them, I'm gonna walk down here and start fucking with them. You see all these dead birds? Look at all these dead birds we got on the ground here. Look at all them. Where? Yeah, you need to get up fucking walking around with fucking guns shooting all these birds, man. There's gotta be some kind of dangerous something here. One of these motherfuckers, they come out here in the middle of the night and they act like they can just fucking do whatever the fuck they want on somebody else's shit because the board of directors fucking said they could. I don't know who the fuck they think they are. See them walking around with them guns? And by what I said, that's nice, yeah, okay. I don't care who you're with. I'm with YouTube and you're live.
That's fine, sir. That's fine.
What's your name and position? What was that? Wildlife Services. What's your position there? What is your position there? Okay, and what is your name? Is it not policy to identify yourself? Is it not your policy to identify yourself?
You need to contact the PD.
I need to contact the PD? I don't call the police. I'm sorry, sir. Actually, it is your policy to identify yourself to a citizen when asked. You are a public employee. Am I wrong? Do you work for the state or the city?
I work for the federal government, sir.
You work for the federal government? That's even worse then. What's your name and badge number? What is your name? Go live on that phone. He don't want to identify himself to me. We can let everybody know. Yeah, you hear him? Leave the fucking birds alone. Yeah, you hear that? That's how the people here think.
You need to contact your board of directors.
Okay. Well, I'm going to follow you around then. I'm going to follow you around for the rest of the night.
They are the ones who contracted us to do this work.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Are these birds not protected under the Migratory Act?
We have permits, sir.
You have permits for the nests or the birds, sir?
Both.
Both? May I see that permit? Now this one here apparently doesn't know about First Amendment. Doesn't know that anything I can see in public I can video. Okay.